Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here in my kitchen, this is one of my favorite options when it comes to eating tacos. Sometimes you have a nice family dinner or you're gonna have people around you, and this is where these Old El Paso soft tortillas comes into place. And let me tell you what I like about this is the flexibility of tacos. Man, you can just add anything to this and you're just going to know that you're going to enjoy your meal. So the way that I like to do this, I just like roast this a little bit on the pan or like whatever is your different style. Add this or chicken or fajitas or anything that you want to add. And the texture, the whole thing doesn't get so soggy every time that you add any liquid. It feels like a high quality tortilla. The texture is great, the flavor is great, and the flexibility to pretty much do anything with this is what really makes the deal. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.